The next few videos, we defy BMW's lifetime fluid threat and service every fluid drivetrain component in the E46, because we want the E46 to last our lifetime existence and 100% efficiency on all lubricated moving parts, not BMW's lifetime expectancy. Start by jacking up the car. If doing this at home, recommend to use drive-up ramps on level ground on all four wheels to keep the vehicle squared up level. Since the fill bolt and drain bolt has never been broken loose since new, spray penetrating oil on the bolts. Also, the drain bolt has some rust buildup that the Allen key does not fit securely. Use a mallet and lightly tap the Allen socket into the bolt to prevent stripping. Cracking the drain bolt loose is gonna need a lot of force. Same procedure goes for the fill bolt. Next, remove the fill bolt so fluid drains quicker out of the drain bolt hole. Slightly wobble the Allen key socket out before removing the fill bolt. That way it will prevent damage to the fill bolt and you'll save time. Now, loosen the drain bolt and drain into a container to observe the aged differential fluid. The aged fluid is looking okay. One thing you don't want to see in the old fluid is metal shavings or a milky-like type of fluid. Which causes of that is the differential being submerged into water or heavy mechanical wear due to abusive driving. In these open differential setups, you can use whatever good quality 75W90 differential fluid as you please. Mushu prefers to stick with the original BMW fluid. Next, pour the fluid into a special pump tool. The entire quart is not going to fully empty out into tools, so this will take several top-offs. Next, pump some new fluid into the diff with blocking the drain hole with your finger. Then release your finger to completely flush out any debris or old fluid out. Next, use new crush washers for drain bolts and install drain bolt into diff. Also, now would be a good time to replace the old drain plug bolt with a magnetic drain bolt. This will help out act as a filter for the fluid. Now start filling the differential up with fluid. Once the fluid starts to pour out of the fill hole, the differential has achieved the fill mark. Install the new crush washer on the fill bolt and torque down the fill bolt. Use a parts cleaner or brake clean to clean off any residual fluid off the differential. And that's all to it. Pretty simple to service a differential. If you're going to do this on a newer BMW like the F chassis, may not have a drain bolt, so either you removing the rear differential cover or leaving it alone till it fails. Trying to finagle a tube through the fill hole may not extract all of the fluid out. Stay tuned on the channel. Next video, we'll be servicing the front differential.